Oh, thank you. So I guess there's a question I've been wanting to ask, and this came up. I was at the DNR roundtable meeting on Friday, and I was at the water part. I'm reading Rick Hansen's letter, and it says the public health crisis, and I want to know who said we have a public health crisis. And I was talking about this with my wife, who's a doctor, and she was asking other doctors, and she started getting on other doctor groups like it's not happening in the medical system. There's not a public health crisis with nitrates. Like they're not seeing people dying, they're not seeing blue baby syndrome, they're not seeing any of this. So I mean, if we're making something up and spending this money, I mean, I want to go back. I'm probably going to be in the minority saying this, but where's that? I'm not saying that farmers should be spreading fertilizer everywhere in excess, but they're already doing best management practices. So we're talking about spending this money on something that doesn't exist. To me, that doesn't make any sense. And I guess if I have to, deal with this during the legislative session, I will. But we're saying that we got to get below 10 parts per million. So my wife started doing research and looking through medical journals. There's nothing. Basically, when you're at 10, it's zero. Anything below that, even in pregnant females, is nothing. It doesn't affect them. The only thing they say with females when they're pregnant is don't eat meat. They weren't even taught about nitrates in med school because it's not a thing. There was no public outcry. Nobody was being hurt. Again, all that being said, we should be trying to limit what we're putting in the environment, but we also can't be affecting farmers and hurting our produce. And they're already putting nitrates on the fields in the springtime, so the plants are absorbing these. So let's do what's best for the environment. But with Rick Hansen writing a letter saying there's a public health crisis, I mean, if it's just words, it's inappropriate to say that unless it's true. And there's no science to back it up. There's not a medical journal anywhere or a medical article anywhere that says that people are being harmed by nitrates. Someone that brought something up with colorectal cancer. So Jenny looked that up. There's nothing that says that nitrates are causing colorectal cancer. So I want to see proof of this happening to use those words. So yes, let's try to treat the environment the best we can, but we can't just say it's a public health crisis and make everybody scared when we don't have proof. That's my 2 cents. Thank you.